Hey there, you're looking for pageant questions and answers, right? You came to the right place. In today's topic, we are going to be teaching you possible pageant questions and answers that judges ask on stage. But before we continue, please like this video so that the algorithm can push it to other people that need the same information. And also subscribe so that you can be getting information whenever we post videos just like this one.
Now, let's get into the main course of today. There are so many pageant questions, but today we are going to be talking about the 20 most basic questions that are most likely to come out in every pageant stage. I will advise you to go and watch our video on how to answer pageant questions and answers, because everything you need to know on how to answer questions appropriately on stage has been taught in that video, so that when you are watching this video on the type of questions that will be asked on stage, you must have already had a good sense on how to answer pageant questions when asked on stage. Number 1, why do you want to win this pageant? Number 2, what will you do when you win this pageant? Or what is the first thing you will do when you win this pageant? Number 3, what is the biggest problem facing young people today? It can also be, if you could give the younger you a piece of advice, what would it be? Number 4, do you think pageantry objectify women? Or what would you say to someone that says that pageantry degrades women? Number 5, amongst the numerous pageant brands that exist, why did you choose to compete in this pageant? Number 6, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Number 7, do you think social media is bringing people together or separating people? Number 8, if you could change anything about you, what would that be? Number 9, what is your biggest fear? Number 10, what is your biggest weakness? Number 11, if you could have only one wish, what would that be? Number 12, what is the modern woman's role in the society, and what advice will you give to young women like you? Number 13, what is the biggest problem your town or city is facing, and how do we solve it? Number 14, what is your definition of success? Number 15, who is your role model? Number 16, what is the importance of beauty pageants in today's world? Number 17, if you could go to any place in the world, where would it be and why? Number 18, with everything going on, how will you handle the responsibility of the crown? Number 19, how will you use your title to make the society a better place? Aside yourself, which other contestants do you want to win this contest and why? So that is it about the 20 questions that are mostly asked in every pageant contest. Please don't forget to check out our video on how to answer pageant questions appropriately, so that you'll be able to fill up your brain basket and prepare yourself appropriately.
So that's it about examples or samples of pageant questions and answers. If this video was informative, if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so that the algorithm can push it to more people that need the same information. Ciao.